Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to share Google Drive link or how you can share folder or files in Google Drive with links. So I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android phone you can follow the same step. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go on my Google Drive. So guys, here you can see this is my Google Drive and you can easily upload files and folder from here. Okay, you can upload a file from here. File means the document, file means a PDF file, Excel file, Word file, PNG, JPG, and you can also upload a folder here. Okay, you can also create new folder here. After create you can open the folder and you can upload the files here. So how you can show you how you can share it up. If this is folder or file, this is file, this is I have JPG file here, and this is I have created a folder, and in under it I have these two files. So how you can share it? If you want to share the folder, just click on folder, just right click on folder, or you can click on here. Okay, just right click of your mouse and click on share. In this option you will share this folder on email only. Okay, you can enter the email, person email here to whom you want to send, and change the only viewers, because if you make it editor, this get the permission of this person, they can edit your file or folder, or they can delete your folder. So make only viewer only. So now you can add up to 50 email ID and you can send, you can write message also. But if you want to share on link by link, so here you can get the link, just select the folder and click on link, and here you, this is the link, you can copy and share. But before that, change the permission anyone with this link. Okay, and after change the permission like viewer and copy link and you can share. Okay, if you make it restricted, means that you have to add person here up first, you have to add person first here, then you can share this link, because in the restricted mode only person can view this file which email id add here. So just make it anyone with this link, update the only viewer and just copy the link, and you can share this link on WhatsApp, Messenger, email, anywhere you want. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.